Let's start with your name.
What the f do you want?
You committed a crime. That's what I want. Quit getting with me. You want to go in handcuffs and go to jail? Quit giving me your lip. You got any other stuff in your bra or anything?
I'm not even wearing a...
August 30th, 2024 deputies are called to high school where a 17-year-old student is caught with THC. What begins as a school search quickly spirals into a violent confrontation, all captured on camera.
Yeah. As soon as I walk in the room, it smells like freaking weed in here. Oh, we got smart mouth.
Y'all are asking the damn same question over and over again.
Hey.
Not be dumbasses.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name? Let's start with your name.
What the f do you want?
You committed a crime. That's what I want. Quit getting with me. You want to go in handcuffs and go to jail? Quit giving me your lip. I'm not a staff. I'm not a teacher here. You're messing with a violation of the law. So you be respectful. You got it?
You're not being respectful either. Asking the same dumb question over and over.
Let's tone it down.
No.
Knock it down a little bit. I'm asking. Okay, well, this is what we're going to do then. Since we're going to be this way. Obviously, you've been to teen court before. Have you gone that route before? So right now, in Deputy Cribb, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand these rights? Yes? No? You're just going to stare at me? You had to at least say yes or no. A head nod will work. You're on camera. Do you understand your rights? So you're not answering the question because I'm what? I can't.
Dumbass.
Okay, well, here's how we're going to do this. Take your shoes off.
Listen.
Take your shoes off.
Because you're a dumbass. Look, there's nothing in my shoes.
Up to this point, officers stayed calm with her, even though she was accused of wrongdoing. But things quickly spiraled when she refused to cooperate. At just 17, her adrenaline was so high that the real chaos began.
You got any other stuff in your bra or anything?
I'm not even wearing a...
I don't want to see them. I just ask you a simple question. Okay? Why are you getting so violent and so... You better unball your fists.
No!
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old now.
Okay. You balled your fist up at me?
I don't...
You're under arrest. Give me your hands. I told you to ball your fist. You're going to get in my face. No.
247, you need a transport unit.
Temporal. 17-year-old female juvenile, 1015. Get up. Get up on your own power. I'm gonna charge you with another charge.
Get me up on here. Grown ass man.
Sit down.
I'm already saying you dumbass.
You got anything else on you before they take you to jail? Because they're gonna search you again.
Leave me alone.
Okay. Just leave you alone.
What's wrong with you?
I don't have anything wrong with me.
Yes, you do.
So this is a crime.
Oh no.
It's a third-degree felony.
Oh no.
So that's what you're going to jail for.
Oh no.
Third-degree felony. And
oh no.
And resisting.
Oh no.
Okay.
I'm
going to look that one up. That one may or may not apply. I'm going to look that one up too.
That sucks. It's not my fault you're a person. Are you stupid? It's out of fear, fucking rage.
Okay. Where's all her belongings at?
Bag's right there.
Okay.
That one's mine.
That one's you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm going to rob him down.
Can you do me a favor? Watch her while I go get some gloves?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You have some office.
Oh, that'll work. Yeah, just a pair of gloves.
Actually, you might have some.
Thank you.
So I'm going to climb the ball at my...
Sit down.
No.
Sit down. Thank you. All right, bye. Stop. I told you to stop. Now you kick me. I told you to stop. Come on. Let Miss Winfield.
busy. 2259
Stop.
Stormy Circle.
Just stop.
2529 Stormy Circle.
I got a hot one in the car for you.
Stop screaming. It's not helping you.
Dude.
Just stop.
10-4, right.
Okay, settle down. We'll get off you.
Her treatment was the result of her own behavior, refusing to cooperate and creating pure chaos. She even kicked the officers, forcing them to place shackles on her before finally lifting her into the air and putting her in the back of the patrol car.
Alice, take a deep breath.
Yeah, we were fighting. Now, can you just make sure that 173 brings...
Stop banging your head. Stop.
10-4,
Quit. Hey, Palace. Palace. This is a really minor thing. You're turning into something else. Hey, there's no need in it.
They were fighting her to get out of the radio. They're requesting a hobble.
Hey, Palace, we're gonna move you, okay? We're gonna get you up, okay? There we go. That's perfect. Good job. See you later. Thank you.
I do not have a hobby.
You gotta
help in any way you can.
see something to restrain nylon or something to restrain her feet.
I don't have one.
We're gonna need one. She's gonna kick and show herself. I got
You want to go grab yours?
I got leg shackles in my car.
Go grab yours. It's okay. Just breathe. We're not going to let you hurt yourself. And we're not going to hurt you. Your mom's not going to kill you. It's okay.
I'm trying to not go with weed. I'm trying to go with it. I just want us to be okay.
I hear you.
I want us to be
You guys Eddie Fab and
happy, but it's the only thing that makes me happy. And now I don't know why. And I don't want it to be the only thing that makes me
Palace, I hear you. Palace, I hear you. You don't need to scream, okay? We're here listening to you.
Got something better. All right.
Everything's so hard for me to do anything.
You got charges for...
Yeah, I got possession of THC, battery Leo, and resisting.
Okay. All right. Come on, Palace. 4-1 hospital. Where you park?
Right front.
J-Bar.
Got that door? Go ahead.
Right here? All right. Over here. Palace, go settle down.
Hey, LT, you want to grab her other leg, please? Somebody just for support underneath. Thanks. I got slipping. I didn't want her legs to hit.
It's unlocked.
Someone on the other side?
Yeah, LT's going to the other side. I'll hang on to her. Okay. I got it. Hang on to her bags. All right, you got her. I'm getting out. I'm sliding out.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
All right, come on. All right. Pop that on. And 1, 2, 3.
There we go.
All right.
I'll see your full name.
You got a bed. Yeah, a wheelchair or a bed or something. You hanging with me in there? Give me just a second. We're going to get something to roll you. Now we ain't gonna carry you. How about that? She's been a little less than cooperative. I think she'll simmer down now.
Okay. Fellas, you're at the hospital, not the jail, so these people are here to help you. They don't need you yelling and fighting and screaming, okay? You understand?
So if I take that hobble off your feet and I let you sit up on your own, you able to do that? You gonna be cool with us? All right. I'm gonna take it off her feet so she can swing around.
I want you to run or play with anything silly. You're not at the jail, okay?
Keep this out from under here. Thank you. Alright, just give your feet a second, let them stretch. I know they're probably asleep or something. Alright, we'll set them right there. When you're ready to sit up, let us know and he's going to help you sit up, okay?
There's a wheelchair right here for you, okay? You're just going to have to sit down in this wheelchair whenever you're ready.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing your legs around and I'm going to put them kind of in the front of you, okay? He's going to help you sit up at the same time, alright? There you go. Alright, get your legs under you. There you go.
You just come out towards me.
Alright. Let's scoot that side. She's coming that side. Where'd that come from? Probably in her pocket. I got it. I'll go get it.